one of the key objective of this entire project was to see the inventory available at our job workers at any given point of time. So that came up very clearly. So that was a great satisfaction to see that the data which we were looking for and we have been working to get it earlier. Every month we had to make a lot of phone calls and we had to get that Excel sheet which is showing that this is the inventory available with them. So it was a humongous task to get all, and with that to first they'll have to list all that and they'll have to send us on second, and then again we'll start working on that file. So it was very time taking task, and also it is you, otherwise if you see it is adding no value to our entire supply chain.